Hello, future CAs. In your advanced accounting paper, one of the most important things is presentation of paper because you would have spent 3, 6, 9 months in preparation and 3 hours you will write with your fullest efforts and present it to the examiner. The examiner will spend maybe 15 to 20 minutes on your paper and decide your fate. So it all comes down to those 3 hours and 15 minutes which examiner is correcting, where you have to impress the examiner, not impress him in other ways, but impress him by presenting well so that he gives you full marks. Today we are going to take All India rank 19 in the latest attempt, where he got, or he or she, I don't know, got 60 out of 70 marks in descriptive paper, guys. And in this video, we are going to analyze the paper of this particular student, and I will also be giving you summary points, learnings from this student's answer. First, if you look at the student's answer, out of the 70 marks he got, most of the questions, guys, 6 out of 7, 6.5 out of 7, 7 out of 7, 7 out of 7, or 4 out of 4, 6 out of 6. Only these two questions, 11.5 out of 14, 7 out of 14, marks dropped. And that's why he got 60 out of 70. Now, I'm not here to scare you, but I'm actually here to give you some confidence, showing you simple hacks how you can present. Let's take one answer of this particular student. The last question that he wrote, he got full marks. He took the compulsory question, and he wrote in AS 10, what should be capitalized? Like this, I'm going to run through 4 to 5 answer sheets. Look at this. Computation of land acquired. He wrote particulars, then amount. First he is writing all the amounts, addition and deletion. Add means he is writing add, less means he is writing less. Wherever relevant, he is doing the breakup. Can you see the breakup, guys? And then the total is written. But the most important part is giving explanation below as to why something is included and why something should be, transferred to P&L account. Look at this. He's not only saying it should be excluded, he's saying this should be transferred to P&L account. This is one answer, guys. Next, let me go to 6B, where this particular student got full marks, guys. First, it's a dividend question. They wrote the provision as per section 123. The 3 conditions, the student wrote the full provision, underlining the keywords, and then applying those 3 provisions. Again, the same condition, he started doing the solution over here. Can you see, guys? The solution is done over here and keywords are underlined. I don't see any great handwriting over here. It's just accuracy of answers. Let me take another answer over here. If I take cash flow, where again student got full marks, look at this. They have not written in the side 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, ABCD, no. Just the heading, cash flow statement for 31st March 25, whichever company, Moon Limited. Straight away, he's writing add less, add less, add less. The format he's strictly following. Look, everything is in inner column. Only the final cash flow from operating activities is outer column. Same way, financing and investing activities, everything inner column. Only the final answers and cash equivalents in outer column. What are the small things I am noticing over here? Look at this kind of breakup. 1 plus 2 plus 3. The operating plus investing plus financing gives me this 91,000. That answer is writing. If he has the time, you can see he's drawing lines with pencil. That's it. Okay. Next, let me take one more answer. If I take in his question, AS 25 in this particular exam that it came. And again in cash flow statement, he's just writing simply workings, prepare the ledger, but everything has tallied. Come down, guys. Look at this. 3B, AS 25. Most of the students, I have seen them, they will start with the answer, do addition, less or add wherever relevant, do the values, and they will write the final profit. But look at the add-on things the rank holder has done. Every time a value is there, he is giving the breakup over here, and this breakup is explained. The same answer of AS25, this full page is explanation as to why he is adding or lessing or ignoring a few things. So when you take accounting standard questions where there is add or less, you have to give explanation like this. But the same thing in AS3, cash flow, you don't have to explain in cash flow because the cash flow is a normal sum which we always do as it is. Let me take one last question before I go into final analysis, guys. This is a proper balance sheet of Bella as per 31st March, schedule 3. He is following schedule 3 format, guys. Look at this, the 4 headings, schedule 3 format. And then look at this, when he comes to notes to accounts, he is writing the note number, which is cross reference, which we all do. But small things matters. Look at this, capital reserve. He is writing for what purpose capital reserve is there, and I'm zooming in, and that purpose he's giving in working note number 1. Working note number 1 is the 3000 breakup new reserve, and if you go to the end of the answer guys, you can see working note number 1, how that capital reserve 3000 is computed. He is giving a neat breakup over here. Are you following, guys? He is giving a neat breakup. So finally, I have to analyze this paper and give you 3 simple points. If you want to download this full paper of All India Rank 19, I will give the link in the description of this video. You can download it. Guys, very simple. But the simple point over here is every answer is in a new page. If he is striking because it's mistake, he is striking the whole page and starting in a new page. Let me show you that, guys, towards the end. Look at this. Where one question was wrong, he strike the whole page and again freshly started. And if you see smartly, guys, what he has done, question number 5, he has skipped. Why he has skipped it? Look at this. He actually tried question number 5. He didn't get the answer or whatever be the reason. He realized this will take a lot of time for him. Immediately he left 5th question and went into 4th question and finished 4th question. That means this particular student was very street smart. Remember, guys, in your 3 hours of exam, maybe 1 hour does not go well, maybe half an hour does not go well. You should not lose confidence over there. Like what the student has demonstrated, especially towards the end of the paper, where he realized one answer is not going well. Instead of spending lot of time in that, he left that and moved on to the next question. So you should also be ready to move on and mine your answers. And lastly, there is no much focus in serial numbers or formatting of lines. No. But he's focusing more on accuracy and workings. Sir, I have solved something. It is accurate. It is correct. That is more important than drawing all those lines. Of course, his answer sheet has a lot of lines wherever relevant. He has drawn lines, but he has completed the full paper for how much, guys? 100 marks he has fully completed. So this is in simple the analysis of one answer sheet. In 10 minutes, whatever key points possible from my side, I'm communicating. But remember, guys, the most important thing is if you get accurately correct answer with the right set of workings, and if you have the ability to manage the time and write the correct answer at the correct time, and even if things go wrong, if you have the presence of mind and come back to the answer or skip answers and go to the right question, you can also get 60 out of 70, guys. That's about it. Remember, it's all in the mindset. With a calm mind, you can do well, guys. All the very best.